abusuafo me sere mo momfa nche me why momfa nche me pa na am say me call off kakra me phone no na eye me sa no nti me sere mo mobile mo san hye na mema obi akwan ama wa opese obekasa bia no wa ba bekasa why mema obi akwan ma obi abekasa nti wudi oba share video ni ma me mama yen san hye ase na ye mo video why
tell us, then we'll leave you. We come and find out here. So you wanted to. What was your mission of coming here? What's the mission of coming here? You are not. No, talk. If you know.
You see why you say yourself now. We are the people. We are intelligent people here. We are not just here.
Let her pack her things first. Then you take the video. You talk. The reason why you came here to come at us of John Mahama, you tell us, then we'll leave you. Without that, we will send you to the police station. No. What's your mission?
Yes.
Tell me one by one.
Oh, ebusia wo ba so asase ma me momfa nche me why. Momfa nche me se video no e kate me ba mche wa. Wo de oba so ashe ma me mem obi akwa ma obi abekasa.
Yeah.
I was passing and I saw the cars parking.
Yeah.
That's your mission. The flag. So I asked
Speak louder.
You speak.
I saw one of the man that was standing, the friend man, and I'm greeting. And he said, this place is the office. So when I went back, and when we come, we saw the flag, and he said, we're having a meeting here. And I said, if I pass here, I'll greet. Because we are all Ghanaians. I can greet and ask, how is my papa? So when I came, I saw the big, honorable, the man here, and I asked him, good evening, is my papa here? And even though he smiled to me that, no, our papa is not around. So why?
So what did you tell him? How did you ask me? What do you ask him?
Yes, so when I asked him that...
No, what did you tell him that what do you want? The reason you are here.
I greet him and I asked him that is our papa around here?
No. You tell him you want some job or something like that.
Yeah, after he...
You talk about, I want you to know.
Yes. So after he asked me, why am I here? And I said, oh, our prayer for our papa, my prayer for him, may God help him to come and sit on the seat. And Uncle said, that is all what we all wish to come true. So through that, he was standing here and he said, oh, she stand here together. So when we were standing here, truth for God, I'm not when he asked me, what am I doing? And I told him that I went to buy dress. So when I bring it, 3 days, these are not movies. So when I come, carry it affects me, my truth. He said, it's true. That's why we should all try our best for him to come.
So if you come and ask your papa, so why do you, if it is your papa true, why do you hold MPP membership card?
My daddy.
No. The reason, answer me.
Allow me to explain.
Yeah, you just. We
see,
know.
And I told him that we are all working to get what we
Hold
get.
it.
Hold it.
Hold it and show it like this.
Hold it like this. Hold it well. This money is for you. Take it.
This
This one.
Hold the card and show it.
Hold the card. Hold the card.
Show it well.
Show it well.
No, show it to you. No, straight. You just show it.
This is your MPP card, membership card. Then you come here. Then you come ask of Papa. You need it like this. So please, I'm asking you a simple question. That you say you are, and Mahama is your Papa. Now you are holding MPP membership card. So why are you telling us that is your Papa?
Enkofo na wo mo kasa ne kura no utimi hu se enye ne kura se wo bo ye security bia we mu wo education background me kura brofo wo mo kan kura na me kura SSS kura man ko bi kura me kan sa brofo wo ye wo mo kan tie brofo bi wo mo kan brofo wo ye wo mo kan me kura me kan sa brofo we mu wo mo ye security your friends say at the man John Mahama yeah, they should be well educated people. They tie brofo wo mo kan tie brofo pa wo mo kan Ghana nkoa na wo ye NPP ni a e wo se wo tan NDC wo ye NDC ni a e wo se wo tan MPP Africa nkoa na wo ye Kristoni a e wo se wo tan Kremoni wo ye Kremoni a e wo se wo tan Kristoni MPP nkoa na sansamfu Africa nkoa na sasa bi jimisem we se wo adan enti se ye wo political differences a e kire se ye ntan ye ho ana. We are all one people. We are all Ghanaians. And you know, if I am MPP member, I was saying me who NDC for me throw insult on them. And I said, me did you matter. And I said, me temo sick I be kokunkum wamwana. I was saying back then.
Hold the top.
When they finish, we scan them if they have some guys. Oh, we go scan them. We'll scan them.
Oh, boss.
Please, watch. I'm interviewing you, please. You just tell us.
The paper go down small.
Come down small.
Come down.
But this one is okay. Now we take his service, okay.
Show that this.
So please, I'm asking you a simple question. No, I'm asking you a simple question. You are saying that it's your papa, not so. You are saying that it's your papa. Now we are asking you a simple question. If Mahama is your papa, how do you hold in MPP membership card?
Nonsense question.
I know that we are working for Ghana. I'm not saying you are working for Togo or other country, but we are saying that if my father is NDC, what I can't hold MPP card to come NDC office.
Just listen. Anuntina say Africans on we are so dumb to extent say if you are not on my side I have to see you as you know as an enemy, as an evil. I want to be who say we a vampire be. That is why the Christians, they don't want to see those who worship idols. The Muslims don't want to see Christians. The MPPs don't want to see NDCs. The NDCs don't want to see MPPs because we our way of thinking, is me wunu said yeah me see and describe on so these people in the name of NDC omo to me a chege oye kuno without having any pity for her. Me no me catch these people e ba se wo munkum ge we ya omo to me a yiri ge we ye twaniti and also to me a yiri lady emiya ne mere kuno without having a pity for the lady. Woman tell you be a because NDC Jimmy Samono a wura the same thing applies to NPPs. They are all doing this foolishness. I didn't know what say as one people. Ghana for why do you I didn't know what say at all because me support to Mahama me na be dia kunya na wo be dia kunya no a wafa omani musika dia hwe ne yire ne ma ani ni nuanom ne na busuamufuo obedia kunya na achare so 4 years who pay the best billionaire in Ghana, the richest man in Ghana wonu ya na beba bedi kai oba na busuafo nko a ene wo beba be sesa wo di wo magu abanim na omo ye aduma no omo twe Ghana sika di kogu omo botom awodo no a wodi MPP anima me yakum wo bi no wanu awodi NDC anima me yakum wo bi no yatu obedi we are they don't give a fucking them to that person. Adentina ya adwene wo fom sa bi before adentina ya adwene wo fom sa na sabi ye hunu nyansa kakra kora.
Ghana, I'm not saying you are working for Togo or other country, but we are saying that if my father is NDC, what I can't hold MPP card to come NDC office.
I'm your
yeah.
We are all working for Ghana.
So we are coming to deceive. We are coming to deceive us. You are coming to deceive.
If you are working for Ghana,
do you know
have any?
This is your back.
Where is the bag?
This is in back.
This in back.
We are just.
Yeah, you see him the more. This is in back. This is in back. Where they call them security personnel or whatever they call themselves. Where say no more yankophobia. Yeah, you almost say. You know, yankophobia or many more. They are well educated and can say to me, but because of say a sound of one unyasabi a woody some womuntino or compared to my yakurana a binding funny man a juman yet. But will be an issue make us a cry a beer, not class 1 cora 1 year. class 1 kura wo ye security demand Ghana government Ghana president wo dinati as a security personnel oba ye yisu him de man ye yisu him de ma oba ye mun pass school ye nkwa nduru ba bia nim say ye yisu him mfa ma oba. This is him bad where you good English but he want that guy want to kill in the name of NDC. Say me security for Don Mahama. Mo dia Ghana mo ma ya de nya adumala ra enu nti na ye ka kire mo say free education enu nti mo ko dina mo say mo ko akoto aba na me nua wadu be ko school nu be wie ademboni ni wutirim opa ma me nkire wo ade a betumi aboa opa yes sankofo edom ko free education no bo made ne ko hye gym center bi ko jimi ba wo beti anya katakati wo wi a jimi wonim na ma wonim mo bo aponye bawe na ye rasta ma otirinye hu ko Don Mahama o se o pese obeye ni security se wamfa ho de obekwa ko tena school mu fie bebrebe ni mi donyame obeso o be security o mfa no wo pedie wo kukuru na dia me na beti kakraka na ni wo yiyi nkase ni tiri wo ye basa ademboni wo ni tiri mo obetumi akum nipa wona na MPP anase NDC be fana as a security as a bodyguard na wakotena school mu say ni wi akopa adwuma wa ba mu aye udi agoro wo mefa wo dwuma na ademboni be na wo utirim wo wi ni wo de ma wase na obetumi abo koke ni wo de ma wase na obetumi abo na se wo kohia ntoko nipa dodo se na obetumi aka wo mabo makukuru o mato akene wo mu yiya samu no wo mu yiya wo mu o makohia ba bi nti wo mu nyina no eye wo mu o makohia ba bi akukuru enade am o mabeti ya akati no eni wo mu di na ti as bodyguards wako school but on so wie wanya adwuma anye woye street boy ena wode ne ho bo killers wakoko kurukuku nade waboko ku awiwiwi no ama na ni hu nyina yiyi nkase na beti abobo wo yi wo sha atade mpo a unhunu se wo sha atade Don Mahama hunu a anase Akufo do na wo se yes be manie ye de mema mom na eye security guard wo se pen wo se school dem ma me kwatena ye mu di agorokura that free education there eye one of the most fucking propaganda NDC ni MPP ye me na me ka kire wo me chia obi abusuafo
deceive. You are coming to deceive us. You are coming to deceive.
If you do you have anything to your back or
MPP this your back? Where is the back?
Tie brofu bi omo we street boys nko a
we are just asking a simple question, please, because we are not joking. No, we are not joking. If you think that they don't give me go ahead. I want to see your face clearly, because we are sending it to the whole world.
Look here. Put the thing down, look here. Yes.
So we are asking a simple question. Who sent you, first of all?
If you don't mention the one sending you,
we will deal with you. Because don't think all of you we are related people.
We are all soldiers. Let me tell you.
You what? What's what when you know you soldiers? And you say when you say o ma ko good soldiers ni mo no, because wo you killers. Wo mo ni mo ye hu no kura na usuro. We mo ni asese we say your friend say ayifo no. Don Mahama ne nkofo na wote wo mo wode o mu bedi akon abato yi mu no. Me wura fi ni team ni dini. Sa squad ni bi ni no. Wo wo ma ni mu no ma beti ya akati. Wo be kun in the name of NDC ye Jimmy wo be kun na wo fa wo be sa wo ye Ghana ni na sa wo ye wonya Ghana ni street boy. Wane no wo si so ketekete no ma me no papa Ghana life ma no. En wane nam street ta no wa hoje sa ne wakukuru na dia me na beti e kakraka school dia makura wa ankobi wati ase wa nyantete ye papa bia amfiri nipam enti wono wudi agora wo be kun no wafa no wodi wafa ho bai in the name of NDC wo be kun e kwa hene fa enko ba bia hwe na mo dia Ghana dia mo mama adene nya adwumala na mo nso so NDC ni MPP so wo be kwa akoto aba abato ne koto na ebo mo tu wi a enyina ho kofie enyina ho mposa wutie ye bobo aba na mo watie bi na ye wi akoye wahi ama wakokasa ama obi akoto twede ama etire bia nhwa na wakohwere wo kra na wo mabia wawo wo mo no adwempapa bia wo wode ma wo mo sa wo pese wunya ba bi ma wo mo si ansa na wo be ko kreti a wakọ no na sa adwen na wo fa ye na nuo na wo bi akunkwa na woni na ho abato also be kwa kotoa kone kotu na ebo mo no utu wi anu wakotena fie ka me nko enkan ha wo ho emfa okokromoti we nkoma John Mahama emfa okokromoti we nkoma akufu ado tena se na wo ufufu o papa bi na di na dwene wo ho because MPP and NDC they are all bullshit. They are nothing. They are busy for nothing people. They are not going to do anything to help Ghanaians.
So you who you hini? First of all, who you hini? There be any
yes, they were trying to force this lady. Senka get nimbie na non kan bibi say MPP fo bi na asoma no anase nipa bi na asoma ni say omele John Mahama bone but utie obari kasa enya adwimfi na wode bae wono ne kura no wo hwa wonama wo pa adwuma ye enti obe sa NDC office wona wo be hia panyini ba ko no enkomodie mu no na wode na mane e bone say waso niema sa amaniema na sirimu ama even ne kasa akura ama enti nka na wo hwese bia enka akonya bi kura betumi afiri wode ama no what you say no matter say wo ye MPP ana say wo ye NDC no wo ye Ghana ni e bo atimi firi wo ba wanya a chance na mo so mo beto no a mo pese mu hunu anu a eti nsem bi ani kwa se ga ne kan de hye na no na mo de ga ne koto amaniem mo ye video na mo nim se mo ye video papa bi ama ma de yan se mo ye video papa bi ama abi before there Jimmy sa na ye de ko wom Jimmy
no obi anka che say asuma o say 10 pesos or 20 pesos we just ask who send you because you are holding some people their document
tu ku time MPP card and the MPP na suma o
let us give a fico yeah the person who was speaking anyway
yes, who be vote here? Who be vote here?
Is that your phone?
Because
is that your phone?
Who called you and asked you why are you?
No, she didn't respond. I took the phone. Okay, find out who is this man. This one missed call. Find out who is he.
No message, just message.
Message.
No,
we are not finished, madam. Maybe some simple question. No. I'm not showing. You know me. Go teach me how to vote. Now my heart is boiling on you. If you joke, I'm going to slap you.
Slap no. Samo jimintia. Mo jiminti mo be slap no. Ne fu akuta ni nyina amaje eyi numbers ye wo so afre ahwe ne ye wo so ma no. Enti obi ntumi hunu John Mahama enno no. Obi ye MPP ni ti wontumi hunu John Mahama enno no. Enkasa do a wo ma John Mahama enti wo be hwe na kira kwan. Abi before kura dia na ha yen ya. Edi no ha bi before. Hey, you're very sad oh. You're very sad, trust me. You're very sad, pa. You're very sad.
You told me Mahama is your dada. Yes. And you are holding MPP card. How can Mahama be your dada? Don't lie. The card. How can you hold this card?
This card is so who give you this?
How can you?
Why do you get this?
Why do you get your Mahama is your?
Why do you get this card?
No. Where did you get it?
Your picture, everything on it.
Yeah, for help.
For what? For help.
I swear, what did you do?
Are you the member?
Why did you do this card?
You are joking.
Yeah, for help.
No, I swear.
We take New Patriotic Party membership card.
Which constituency are you?
But you go to the team for Tema Central. And you are saying what? This is Tema Central.
This Tema Central.
Why do you lie?
Look.
This is Tema Central.
Let's have a guy.
This guy actually want to speak. Yeah. You are absent.
No.
Now we will send you to the police station and hand over you to the police station.
This is the SBT.
You lie. No, we are lying. If you are lying,
this is the SBT.
We are lady. No. You should understand. You are lying.
brother Thomas video na mensa kan ne tenten ne tietie nyina na mabɔ no sɛ wate ase ne tenten ne tietie nyina na mabɔ no video ne tenten ne tietie nyina de me te ye ne sɛ oba ne na wo twam akɔtɔ ade ɛna wo hunu sɛ NDC for efrag ayeho bebrebe ɛna wo busa ne se NDC for office die ɛna wo busa sɛ John Mahama o and was o ɛna mi kwaba mi duru ha ne sɛ mi hu John Mahama mi hu me papa na ma bɛkyia no okoya oba no obeto one of the empanyinifo ni bi ɛna no wone man ni di nkomo no wo ka ne situation akyere man no ɛna nkofo we be pie nso ɛna wo mo say once okuta NPP for card membership card ne de obehwehwe John Mahama akyiri kwan ne kyerɛ sɛ ada sɛ obi na asoma no anasa adembone na wode nam enti question ni nie me ye NDC ni a me hunu NPP ni a me ntan no ana sɛ me ye NPP ni a me pacho me hunu John Mahama me ye NPP ni a me hunu John Mahama enti me ntan no ana me pacho what ya say sɛ me ye NPP ni a me hunu John Mahama me ntan no ana me ye NDC ni a me hunu Akufo-Addo me ntan no sɛ me hunu Akufo-Addo sɛ wonam wa esan sɛ me ye NPP ni nti me nkotwe se kan kokunu ana. That is the whole video. The American you know about the video no. And look at another video being so. Me di carbon wo me face video ni. Okay? Me pacha sa video ni bi why sa video ni bi na e bia first one na woni ha watu abane na wo wini a wasi nyame na de adi na Kristofo nyame ne nkremofo nyame na di na si akunya so abato ne yeto ne se wo wini a wasi nkremofo nyame ne Kristofo nyame na di na si akunya so NPP ena yakokokum na ntwie ena na ntwie di ti no yadi NPP flag ya chechire ena yaboka hire ne yadi NPP yadi na ntwie ni tie sika hire so ena yadi NPP flag achechiri na ntwie ni ti ne yadi padlock watum yadi ya sacrifice o sacrifice in the name of election enti wo free se ukura akroma kan ena wo de ba wo susu se ne ya wo kan ya no wo ba wo betumi aye wo kuta akroma kan na eba ye saade we di petumi na wakoye saade we di apeni tumi na wo nam ochire na wo kum wo bi de ma no wakoye saade we di apeni tumi wo nam wo chire na wo kum wo bi de ma no wo njimi ye na wo de wo akone ye kum wunjimiye because of say wo ma plan wo mutirim say abato oro mo ma asomdue ma enti ye adwene say ye ma asomdue ma no ekwan ye befa so a ye gidigidi ne start ya say ye MPP fo a NDC fo nsoso nti no ye nka NDC fo anontum say ye gidigidi ne sori a ye NDC fo say ye be ya NPP fo nsoso nti no yenka wo manuntum sa na tie dia yenkokum na ntwie de dia dia ba abontene no nim nipa yekum wo mosie wo ofi se wo manenam wo no tumi na wo mo pe na wo de wo mani kan na epe na wadi wo machi akokum wo bia ma wo mo no amount of prayer na napugan no amount of prayer ena betumi di san konfo wo yesisuo no matter how mpaibo amobebo ama wo mo ombeko bosom so akokum nipa ombeko bosom so akotwa moja ato agu na ya na bosomfo na ya meya omo ba na maye we num nyina de ama wo mo na maye we mo de ama wo mo na maje mo de ahye mo ho na maja omo se omo nko no omo nko di boni bi omo pe na minim sa bosonsom no baby adru to extend say ya the four boni so there I don't know Abusia for me pini number no wa opesa ofre bia no frɛ na won so betumi de wadwen kyerɛ ba why me bata what you say chale eyesa o after this video no omo be ka say the battle is the battle is the Lord o said the battle is the Lord the battle is the Lord but wakoye sacrifice wakosie nantwie mu ye wo fam wakotwa nantwie ti edi MPP flag atechire edi padlock wato na no edi akosi baabi say ya local MPP for ya ka wo manu otum ye wiem wo mo mpesua sokoro mu ntumi nkasa ya ka NDC fo anu otum ye wiem wo mo mpesua sokoro mu ntumi nkasa medie me say se abatu ono nana Kofi akomi amechia se abatu ono obeto a ma wani na ho menye kwasea menye Jimmy former NPP menye kwasea menye dodontwie former NDC menkum hunua bi because of NDC menma wo ho kwan so ma kwasea bi nye wo kora mfiri wo nsam woto abani wi a Kofi na koda wodi ewom no waya wie abatu ne bobɔ no enye wadwuma abatu ne bobɔ no enye wadwuma yede na Akufo Addo si akunya no so a yebe na so ama wate yede John Mahama si akunya no so a yebe na so ama wate hweyie na wani MPP ni NDC echi ama wo ma amenda ni nyanka because they don't fucking give a damn to you as a civilian me na mkachira wo ma wani na wate because omo be no madi ka ya wie omo be kum wo mo no wo makum wo mo ahwe wo mo moja to agu emwa ye de wo be hihye fom no ye de wo ma hihye fom NDC boni obedi MPP waye MPP boni obedi NDC waye ansa na abato no kura beduru so entinya wo ntoko a wo be kun na be ma obewini enye ma wo de wo be ma ye kum na obewini waye bibia wie dada ma wani na ho me pa chao ma wani na ho menni wo mochi e ma wo ma meye nyanka menni wo mochi e ma wo ma meye awisia because awisia mo bro awisia e mo bo me say satama na me wo P5 na me wo P5 na ye koka anyensem na anyensam na ye koka no anyensam ni ti no na ye awisia me say ye koka anyensam ni wie ne sa anyensam ka wie ye no the whole district ye no mo de anyensam no wake up no dem ayen na ye research sa anyensam ni wie ye no obia ni wa no wo no ma wansum hwe awisia sem o mo wate wo se awisia onyino ne do ade elesa no man nyina fufuru nua ntutu mebe nyina deda na awisia ba mefa hene enane eja ewu eja me efiefuo nso me kwa de medie mpo no ayede de ama me dise de ye die wie na ye koto akene no na me awisia ye fra me de ama he woti wa mompa ye da se wo be wu eja wo ba wa bra wo ye nkora mendi NDC ni MPP achi ema ye nje wo kra mfiri wo nsam wa bra wo ma na wa wo mo no wo mo ye nketenkete nkora ne be ye mobo enti abato na wo koto ne ma wani na ho me na me ka che wo mo wani na ho mendi NDC ni MPP achi wo to abani wi a se de me kan ye no Kofi na kokwalantan ho ayire soa 3 days abani ya bobo a wo be hunu fana ayire soa 3 days wodi buduye ku wasumi ya won se de won tere ayire sokura 3 days wo beti ni agadi na si akunya nso anase de wo wini menye ma obi nku ena menye nso nkokum obi because unhwe obi mojangu emfa hunni ewiase na wo no everything that goes around bian it comes around menye wadwene say wo be di NDC sika bi ode be mo wachi MPP sika bi o mo de be mo wachi pa bi o mo be bo na wasisa metoma ye di wachi na wakọ polling station bi akotam ballot box every ho na nipa kokan esanse ma beti susu ni mo ni mu ohun na mo ko obi aboko na watwetwe ntampinti mu hu nipa wo wate se nkotere no man kokunkum wo man kotieti wo mo so ankoplepra wo mo after all no dia na NDC ni MPP wo mbe ya ma wo sika na yete be ma no wo be di ni the whole of the 4 years unni the whole of the 4 years unni the whole of the year mpo at least unni the whole of the month mpo miniam wani na ho nembe nipa nwadwene ntere wutirim hunu nipa sa wunua no enipa nya aboa ena wotwa ne mene sa aboa enipa nya aboa no wotwa ne mene sa aboa nipa nya bo ena wo butu ni sa bo abatu obedru soe kohwe ye maame no mpanimfo bi asabi ebi mu kuta poma wo mo be sori se wo mo koto wo di wo mo kokromoti komado mahama eni yakufo ado emukura no dodo na mfa wo mo totroto because some polling stations ni bi ye di metomaifo be kokogu a abrewo na wo koto oba ni mpo no ye di hu koto ne so ena amana koto aba no at the end of the day obefia no wodi su na eba bi wo kora ye be wona hwewa ma ne poma ekuta ne mpo ya je afiri ni se he ebibifo moma ye nwini se nipa o moma ye nwini se nipa because utu kwan ko aman ahodo obi so a wo mo nwini se nipa ne san kwase asem wo ye nkoso o se utu kwan eko aman ahodo obi so sa aman ni mufo nwini se nipa no a san samfun we mi donyame enkoso ho when na what time say me kokon ma be political party when na what time say me kokitu me kobo box ndi ama me political party na political party no wana hwe me makoto ma ba wona me pewa mato ma me komba bi ya kenkana o wini e wa wini wan wini obi amfa ho when na what time say me kope juju e dia badia kunwa atena so because ni all campaign ho no wenim se wo ba wo betumi aye ne sa pepepe if I tell what you say, all bano dia odi ye campaign nya tron wo be wode bre kroma no ni obetumi aja no wo be kama kroma no enti saba no wonya wonyim se ni nyuma pa bia wo be ye na dia ma no se wonya nso a wo be hu se na asama o kan ye no e na antoni pa na sum ye enti no wo ma nto ama no akopa ni ba bia atena bet ye man bia ye free mu no wo be ye campaign ensama wo kan wonyim se wontumi nye enti before say abato ni bedru so no na we say no nyina akoso dada ya de anantwie bi no makoche hyehye fom ya kokunkum anantwie bi de padlock atoto o ma no in the name of election cause onim say wanye saa enya de say wo betumi aye because no ankasa wo ba no wo ye kontompofo dada en wo betena kunya no so ni kontompo no onim say mfa ni nkoduru ba bia hwa me say NPP ni NDC all of them no omo ya liars. There is nothing good in NDC and MPP. Be on between the ayama yen. How many years no mabedi yesu wo mani? Munchire sa one district one factory no a wan panyina kofo ado ba do bo ho dawuro no munchire bi ni ewe. Na no we video bi ebeto social media sehia Ghana yen koko kase nyina firi wo ba no hwede wo mokwan aye aban ni dine wo man no ba bia ye nya yen koko firi kura no hwede wo mokwan aye se di wo mo breje tie eye nnua ne ye de aye aban we dine ba ho MPP ba won fa ho NDC ba won fa ho ne oba no ordin ne say at the end of the 4 years no be frɛ kunya no so no e was say ye pay the most richest man in Ghana ni nua ba ye the first and as obeto so second obeme kisho se ofre kunwa ne so no na busuam hianim ne manyina so betu kwan abetena mo no ne wa beto fie dia ma wo mo omo ko school papa na emmoa no yegu Ghana na omo de ye nkoa omo de ye nkuru tuduma na wonsu jimifo wudi wo machi se wo bekum dia ma NDC wo bekum dia ma MPP minia woni na ho why me de me ba se ibebie wadwene wani ema bi ho moma yenya ba ko me pacha wo ye NDC ni a NPP ni nya wotamfo ena wo ye MPP ni nso a NDC ni nya wotamfo John Mahama nya wotamfo ena Akufo Addo so nya wotamfo omo mienu nyina ye Ghana fo na je se position bi na omo mienu nyina omo pere apere ni e wo hu ni nti ena akoye bibi ti se wo mo tan wo mo ho bet wo mo dia ne kura no wo mo ye no wo mo wi a wo mo ya no de o mbe ye no wo media ni mu wi a o mo hia wo kire wa wo mo ye ba ko they are cool people o mo nya tanfo bet ye die ye no no a wo mo active movie ni kire ye no ya fa movie ni serious na ye kunkum ye ho aya se wakowe movie na che wa ja baifo na wonu che wa abonten na wo friend se wo ye baifo wo nyale ana se wakowe movie no wonu se rasnene ye kronfo wakum obi wakobo kro no wakum obi na hia rasnene na wo pai na wi o wunya jimifo hwede omo ye kire no eye acting wo mo acting wo ewo ye friend se media ni mo de kire ye ma wani na ote enti so hu se John Mahama kaseti Akufo Addo a me ka kire o wi a wo fetro no ni Akufo Addo akoye ku so hu se Akufo Addo kaseti John Mahama wo wi a fe kire ho no ne na koye ku wo wi a no aka nse mi ni ogunim se position ye mienu na ye pere enti me ka de menya enti asem o meka ne mane hawo na wakoka John Mahama akoma ato ne yem wakoka Akufo Addo akoma ato ne yem na wo jimifo na wo tie kire na wo ti se John Mahama dina pulpit so e campaign Akufo Addo a wo kan nsem tia no jimifo no a wo se Akufo Addo edina pulpit so a wo campaign John Mahama no a wo kan nsem fu tia no na wo kwatwe kai e wo sa asem no but wo wi a wo kohia no ne na yeku hwe said ye see movie a wo mo act no sa ena MPP ni NDC act kire the same thing applies to asofo no amen kan kire wo mo ba abontere be posu san kanaman but wo mo wi a wo mo hwe ye messages na ye di gu abontere no a wo mo tu cha de maye but wo mo ba media ni mu a no wo mo posu san kanaman hwe se adwene na da utiri mo no wa ma na anya adwuma o body ni na bre hwe ye yenkoa o ye yenkoa edi ma NDC ni MPP ye yenkoa edi ma NDC ni MPP omo ba ye ya to hwe ade ba ko ya ne se wo ye fie wura na wasi wo fie na wo di fie na maintenance han na esan some opportunity bi a wo dia maintenance no wo fie ni mu no wo hura betena wo kon so that is MPP and NDC on be pe kunya na tena so a chawo pa omu bu nkotoge ne pa ya chawo ebi mu kura bribe yen na ye dia kunya na mo on be tena so a no ma ka kire mo se moa ye ba ye di nkotoge ba ye na mu free se ye dimi mo dia betena so a ye betre mo se ye yare yale ne ye ba ye ampa omu betena so nso a wo mo yale sam no wo mo ye de kire ye we ye Ghana ni amoni na ho why na to Ghana na dwene Ghana ho to aba no wo right sell to aba NDC na abeto ama na wo right NPP na abeto ama na wo right but hweye me pa chawo e na wan di bone wa abato ni mu hweye e na me pa chawo anka obi moja ngu wa abato ni mu because de wo bedua no eno na wo betwa makrawo nkomo na me no wadie de dwene ho yie na empanimfo se obenyansafo ya na sem ka no eyetiawa obenyansafo na sem ka no eyetiawa enye tintin bia a way to your wife is enough. Ma woni na ho. Me no kasa se badwemba, me no kasa se nyansafo, me no kasa se nua, me no kasa se wofa, me no kasa se wofa ase, me no kasa se nana bi, me no kasa se ebusua ba akumumba, me no kasa se oman ba akumumba. Ma woni na ho. Why? Na men ni MPP ni NDC enti ensere wo man no. Mera wase makraw. Eda foforo, minimisi ebese ahia. Ma asem yi no inimsa ato wakoma so na wo de beye adwuma nso oman Ghana baako ye oman Ghana baako moma yenkamom na yemfa wodo eni die obuo ahobrase ene ya yonkoye entena oman ni mu na daache bi yetumi de anigye ahyiehia yen ho makraw media ne sankofa eda fofo de behia bye bye.